Welcome back, everybody. By popular demand, I have ordered chains for my tractor, and I've got the diamond pattern studded chains, and I got them from tirechain.com. Now that's not tirechains.com, that's tirechain.com. They're kind of a bugger to put on by yourself because they're heavy and you got to stretch them out to get them to connect and whatnot, but I managed to do the other side on the tractor, and so I thought I'd take you along on this side. Now the other thing is I had to get wheel spacers for my tractor, and I got Bora 2-inch wheel spacers, and I bought them from my Kubota dealer. I went down there to get wheel spacers, and they don't carry the Kubota brand wheel spacers, they carry the Bora brand wheel spacers. So I got the 2-inch wheel spacers that I've already put on. I did record a video of that, but the quality is not that great, so I opted not to upload it. If you guys have interest in seeing that upload, regardless of the quality, let me know, and maybe I'll put it up anyway. But in the meantime, I got to put these wheel spacers on, or these chains on, and we'll get started. And if I have enough daylight and it's warm enough, I'll get out and give them a test run. This morning when I woke up, it was 30 below zero again, and that's Fahrenheit. Here we are into March, and it's still really cold. So, but anyway, stick around, and I'll show you what we got going on. All right. Well, there they are laid out. I don't know how well you can see them. I'll try to zoom in here and you can see the studs. I think Mike from Grampy's Workshop calls those corks. He's got studded chains on his too. So I got to pull a couple, make a few changes, shorten up some links, and then we'll get them on, all right? So we got to shorten up some links here, so I'm going to do that now. On the other side, I did it while it was on the wheel already, which made it a little more difficult, I suppose. But and they really weren't what I consider hard to put on. They just, it would have been easier with two people, you know, somebody to hang on to it. So, now on this side, I've got these little links that you have to punch out. You have to punch out a pin, and they have a really good informational video on how to do this. It's kind of like an old Charlie Chaplin video, though it's silent, so you have to just watch it. So I got to start here, because you got to punch this pin down. See if you can get another link in there. And you got to do the same thing on this one, because that's where they connect in the middle. So then I had trouble, those buggers fell off of there. So then you got to try to figure out where they go. Alright, so that's ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on now, and hope for the best. Alright,
I'll tell you, I weighed them. They're right around 50 pounds each. So I'm gonna head. Not only am I gonna get better traction, I'm gonna have more weight. Because my tires are not fluid filled. They probably should be. I suppose that'll be the next thing everybody tells me I need to do. Is fluid fill my tires. Oh, there's one of those links right there. They fit really nice once you get them on there. That's kind of in the center, I guess. So I guess, let's see. Crawl under there and hook up that. And then now get that centered. See if I can do it. There's that. That's hooked on there for now. Now you would think this bugger would be a lot easier on the second time. I don't know whether it will or it won't. I do kind of have a sense of what I'm doing now, but and just an FYI, I've never put tire chains on before in my life. I know that seems kind of weird, probably, coming from Alaska. You would think I'd have lots of use for chains, but I've never had. All right. So I had to use these pliers to squeeze that down. It's that tight on there. So they're going to be a really tight fit. So that's good. Now this is where I got to connect the center here. Of course, now that's all boogered up. Yeah, so I've got there we go. I've got a hook this one to that one. There's one. Get the other one. Just for those that might be wondering, it was 38 below this morning when I started the tractor, and it sits outside, but I do have a block heater, so I had it plugged in. So that's why my tires are covered in ice and snow. Makes it hard to work because my fingers are cold. There we go. Whew. Now we gotta put our thing back on. Darn link caught up in there. There it is. Those are pretty snug. So I don't know. You can see how aggressive those are. Should make a huge difference. I want to thank Joe Lesage from Steel to Wood for advising me on chains and whatnot, and I'm told this will change my tractoring experience. So we shall see. But all in all, I guess that didn't take very long to put that second set on. The first set was a bugger because I didn't know what I was doing. and I probably still don't know what I'm doing. But I'm going to wire up these connections and stuff so that they don't pop loose. But all in all, these are an 8mm chain or a 3/8 chain. They probably weigh, I think I said 45 or 50 pounds each. From tirechain.com in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. I ordered them and I got them in like 6 days. So all the way here in Alaska. But they seem to be super high quality, super heavy duty. I'm pretty pleased with how they look right now. We'll see how they perform. But all in all, you know, I had to buy the wheel spacers and buy the chains and of course pay for shipping. I've got about $1,000 in this, which is kind of why I haven't done it sooner. But I had to wait till I had $1,000. And but the chains themselves, I think were $471. Plus I paid like $156 in shipping. And then the wheel spacers were $333. So whatever that totals out to, that's what I got in it. So, but I'll try to show you guys what it'll do, see if I can push snow with the snow pusher now. And you guys let me know what you think. Sorry, this wasn't an instructional video. This was just a, Mike's gonna try to put tire chains on his tractor. But let me know if you'd like to see that, that wheel spacer video, even though the quality's not there. So I'm hesitant to upload it, but we'll see. So, all right, click the like button, click subscribe, and tell all your friends. See you later.